Hi, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm super excited. If you know me, guys, you know I don't do makeup videos, but people have been asking me to do a video on how I do my makeup. So today I decided to do a natural makeup look. This is me rocking my hair with a bun. As I told you guys in my last videos about my perfect imperfection, this is my forehead. I think now you can see it. I've tried to lay the baby hairs, but they're not laying. And I have a bun. I got it from a lady who sells African stuff here in Germany. I'm going to put her link in the description box so that if you're in Germany, you're going to make your order. That's where I got this bun, and it looks so natural. Just check it out. And I had to just do a style to distract you guys from my forehead. Sorry, to distract you guys from my forehead. I just made a small braid at the front, and yeah, I was supposed to make it a 5-minute makeup look, but I actually wanted to show you guys how I do my makeup when I want to do a video, or when I want to look natural or do a sit-up video. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, guys, grab a cup of tea and watch to the end. I'm going to start by priming my face using Rival de Loop primer. And then I'm going to go ahead and use my setting powder to set the primer. After setting the primer, I'm going to use the fixing spray from Revolution Spot Fix to fix the setting powder. And then I'm going to wait for this fixing spray to dry up. I'm going to use a spoolie to brush my eyebrows. You can use anything that you have. Some people even use a toothbrush. At this point, I'm going to fill in my eyebrows using Davis pencil, which I bought from Kenya when I was on my vacation. I'm actually just following the shape of my eyebrow. So fill in those spaces. Do the same to the other side. I don't know why I taste my pencil, or why I lick my pencil. I don't know why. Let me know if you guys do it as well. I'm going to use my eyebrow styling gel to shape everything up to make it look more natural. I actually do this step before outlining my eyebrows to have that more natural look. And then I'm going to use the It Cosmetic Bye Bye Under Eye Concealer to outline my eyebrows. then I'm going to go in again with the pencil and fill in those spaces that I feel like they are not like filled in enough. And then I'm going to apply the rest of the concealer on my eyelid, and then I'm going to blend everything in. After, I'm going to use the setting powder to set the concealer. Next, I'm going to apply my eyeshadow. The eyeshadow that I'm going to use is from Christian Dior 797 in Feel. I love this eyeshadow because it has natural colors, and you know guys, we are making this look as simple as possible. I'm going to start by applying the lighter colors. I know the makeup artists, they start by the darker colors, but I'm going to start with the lighter one. Then I'm going to go in with a darker color using a blending brush to like make everything look more natural. Then I'm going to use a dark brown pencil as my eyeliner. You can use any dark brown pencil, you can use an eyeliner, you can use a black pencil, but because I just wanted to go in with a natural look and as simple as possible, that's why I decided to go with the dark brown pencil. Don't mind my nails, guys. If you know, you know. This quarantine situation is not like favoring us when it comes to beauty and all that. Moving on to foundation, I'm going to use Born This Way Too Faced foundation in Chai. This is my first time trying out this foundation. I hope it's going to turn out well. I'm going to start by blending it in using a brush. Can you see, guys? Can you see the coverage that this foundation is giving me? I have one of the baddest eye circles, and this foundation is covering it up like crazy. So when it comes to foundation, blending in is key. This is something that I used to like. I was not taking serious, but blending everything in is key. If you want your makeup to look flawless, then you have to blend. Take time. This is the step where you're going to take your time to blend everything in. I've not added more foundation from what I started with, and I'm loving the coverage. I'm loving the coverage of this foundation. Then at this point, I'm going to take my beauty blender, a damp beauty blender, and then I'm going to continue blending in. Blending is key. And then I'm going to use It Cosmetic Under Eye Concealer again to highlight my high point, or to highlight high point on my face. Like I said, guys, I have baddest dark under circles, and when it comes to highlighting, I like using my fingers to blend in the concealer. It prevents the concealer from getting cakey. I blend. I take my time when it comes to this part, because I feel like this is the reason why I actually put on makeup. So I have to make this part as flawless as possible. Yes, you can see it's working for me. I hope it's going to work for you as well. So use your hands, use a beauty blender, use a brush. Just go with what's going to work for you. On my forehead, I use a brush to highlight. The only sensitive area when it comes to my face is my under eyes, where I only use my fingers to highlight. Blend everything in. To use setting powder to set the areas that I've just highlighted to make everything like stay in place. And now I'm going to contour my face, and contouring is the opposite of highlighting. To use the sleek contouring kit that I have. I'm actually out of products for now, but I hope it's going to work for me. And I'm going to apply it on those areas that I don't want to like pop up or to pop out on my face. I'm going to apply it on my forehead to make it look smaller, because as you can see, it's a very huge one. So I'm applying, like, I'm trying to contour it, but the color is not as dark as it's supposed to be, but yeah, it's giving me the shade, so I'm going to work with it. If you have a darker one, then the better. And don't mind my dandruffs, guys, don't mind that here. And then I'm going to use MAC compact powder to remove those harsh lines by blending everything together. moving into mascara, I'm going to use Total Temptation from Maybelline New York. I just love this mascara because it gives me that, it makes my lashes pop, you know, because I don't know how to put on the fake lashes. So I think this one works for me. And as you know, we are going to make this look as natural as possible. So, but if you want to add lashes, go ahead and do it. And now I'm going to use a dark brown pencil to outline my lips, or like as a lip line. Then I'm going to use Stay Forever lip gloss that I got from my local drugstore from Rosemann if you're in Germany. Yeah. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click on the notification bell icon as well so that you can be notified every time I put up a new video. Thank you so much, guys, and let me know what I can improve on. I'm not a makeup artist, but I think I tried. What do you think, guys? What do you think? Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye.